Hey guys, so I had a problem with my ipv4s. The batteries were low, so I charged them, and come to turn it on today, it won't work. So press this 5 times, batteries are fully charged, everything is intact, no wires are broken or disconnected. There's absolutely nothing that you can see wrong in the setup right now, but it just won't start, and you can do whatever you want to it, it just won't start up. So I took the faceplate off with these 2 screws. It just comes right out, the whole faceplate pops right off. And what I did was I moved this board up and just got it just enough to where that light will come on. And then you come over here, press that 5 times, bam, it'll work. Now I don't know if it's one of the wires in the back that's, messing with the setup, but it definitely is an inconvenience. I'm thinking it's the actual control panel or the module itself. Maybe there's just something that gets worn out over time and just stops working. But now, see, it'll work. It'll work just fine. But when you come and push this panel back in, let me get the light out of the way. When you come and push the panel back in, it'll just turn right off. So I'm guessing it's that wire in the back there that's putting pressure on the plate. But I got it to work last time. Now the problem with that is when you put the faceplate back on, it compresses everything in, so it'll just turn right back off and it won't start up. So I hope someone that sees this video could build onto it and maybe find out what's wrong with the setup there, because it is a very big inconvenience. I didn't pay a lot of money for this. I think I paid $10 for a friend. He gave it to me. But this setup here is worth at least $130, at least in my area. So I hope this is helpful for someone out there that had the same problem. I actually went online and checked to see this guy. He had the same problem, and he put in fresh new batteries, and it didn't work, so that wasn't very helpful. And this guy, he didn't have the same problem. His was just the atomizer not working. So I thought I'd make this video to help anyone out there that, if this solution helps, then I'm happy. So hope y'all can see what's up, and probably comment what you think is wrong. Thanks.